Gibson, and I'm the principal designer and founder of AKG Design Studio. At AKG, we believe that exceptional design isn't luxury, it's the foundation for better life. Here, we specialize in creating high-impact functional spaces that are uniquely tailored to our clients' success and well-being. And that is exactly what this show is all about. So, join me here each week on Design Tips and Sips as I walk you through functional and style tips, project deep dives, and key design concepts we use every day here at the studio. Ready to elevate your space and your lifestyle? Grab your sips and let's get started. Lake life calls for rosé all day, so let's get started. I am super excited to show you another lake house living here in Reston, Virginia, and I had the pleasure and the honor to work with this wonderful couple that calls Reston, Virginia and Lake Anne their home. And we wanted to honor the lake and all its beauty while doing the design, but also honor the originality of the mid-century modern that those units were built in the 60s. So come with me and I'll show you the transformation. So these are the water view cluster units. They're a little bit small, but they are grand in view, as you can see. So as we walk in, we replace the doors for the utilities. The washer and dryer now have beautiful contemporary door. The utilities are here, and again, nice clean doors. They had these crazy old sliding doors before, and then follow me into the kitchen. We had to raise everything up here because the ceiling was low for no particular reason. The ceilings are really high everywhere else. There was a very short cabinet. The wall here was enclosed with one small door into the dining room and the entertaining, which, you know, guys, I don't like it. My clients don't like it. They love to entertain. They love to be able to see all the view and enjoy their guests. And of course, all the cabinetry here is homage to the lake as far as the colors and to the mid-century modern, from the white oak cabinetry to the mid-century to the custom mid-century backsplash, decked in countertop, custom colors on the cabinetry, beautiful new appliances. And of course, the view here really is the winner. So as much as I love this kitchen, I think really opening up all that space and creating the transition into the dining room. So now you can actually serve, cook, and enjoy everything at the same time. And as we say in Reston, you live, work, and play. So you can work in the kitchen, you can live outside, you can play outside, and really enjoy all the space together. So follow me and I'll show you the rest of the space. So this area was actually closed off. It was really just that opening to go in and out from the kitchen into the dining room, which again, it is really, really horrible space, even not enough to walk in with pots and pans. And definitely if you're trying to entertain and enjoy, you were disconnected from the rest of the party. Now it's all open. Look at this beautiful light that is coming throughout the whole space into the kitchen, into the dining room, and filling it all up. We removed all that, and then actually when we did the construction, we found out that the soffit that was above is actually even more empty than we thought. So we actually ended up moving the cabinetry a little bit higher than we planned, which probably about 6 inches more. So as you can see, we do have extra height of the space here. That's not your standard 18, that's probably close to about 22 inches. But I think that also, this happy accident was perfect because it lended itself to create even more of a grand view in your kitchen. So if you have a really, really small kitchen, but you have taller ceilings, or you're willing to give up just a little bit of maybe crown molding and push your cabinets out to add more space between the countertop and the bottom of the cabinet, that will lend itself to create a much grand and more open space in the kitchen. It makes it feel much larger than what it is. So sometimes when you do remodel, you have happy accidents like this one. Let's continue the entertainment area. So this is a round walnut table. This is the original chairs, but I really love that pink and how it plays off the teal cabinetry. It just brings a little bit whimsy to the space, but works really nicely with the beautiful art and whimsical art that our clients collect through their travel. So this is a dry bar. Again, because the kitchen is so small, this was a great opportunity to create overflow for the kitchen, but also its own serving space on the other side. So when you aren't entertaining, you have the wine fridge over here. You can keep glasses, additional serving areas, but also be the overflow for the kitchen without feeling that it is actually part of the kitchen, but it's still part of the space. So I absolutely love the way it came out. All right, let's see what happened in the bathroom. So first of all, I love putting opaque doors into bathrooms, and especially bathrooms that do not have natural light. So this is a great opportunity. There is still privacy, no issues whatsoever, but it still helps to transfer light from one space to another. So really it's a kind of a fake way to bring more natural light into the bathroom. So if you have a bathroom that does not have any natural light at all, this is a great way to bring a little bit joy and make it feel just a little bit bigger and brighter. Now, let's go see what happened inside. Okay, so this was a bathroom from 1964. It was white, big tile, ugly, big tub, really cramped, and there was no room to move at all. So with our lake-loving clients, again, we wanted to honor the lake and the colors, and we selected this beautiful Delta color, again, just bringing those mid-century colors and shapes into play. Also really important to make this bathroom accessible is the flooring that now, instead of the bathtub that was here, it's actually a curbless shower, so you can easily walk in here with no interference. A nice big opening in here. You know I love my bidet, so you know most of my clients get it. It's absolutely fabulous. As it gets colder, you also have an instant heater, and you know all your business is done. And everything that I absolutely love in bathrooms to do is actually do a vanity, especially when you are limited in space, is to do drawers, because now you have everything really nicely organized. You don't have stuff that just shoved into the cabinet. And the important thing is we do a cutout here for the plumbing, so you have no issues. Everything just goes in and close, and you have beautiful storage. In this bathroom, I'll show you, we do have some extra storage because there is plenty of room for where the wall is. So come around and I'll show you that little extra nook. Because the wall was so deep, we wanted to take advantage, and there was a storage here before, so we just updated. And this is just a wall cabinet, full length, and it has all the stuff that you need for small townhouse that don't really have a lot of storage. This is a great solution to hide behind the door, and you don't really see it that much. Additional storage will be the medicine cabinet. I love those Kohler ones, the quality of the metal, the hinges. It even comes with a magnifying built-in mirror, and you can actually get them with outlets if you want to. This does not have it, but again, we created a lot of storage in a very small space and make it feel and look much larger than it is. All right, guys, this is it for lake life in Reston, Virginia. You didn't think that we have it, but we do. So if you enjoyed the show, make sure you click subscribe and ring the bell to make sure that you can share it with your friends and family and anyone that you care about. If you're ready for your own lake life, your new kitchen, bathroom, or whatever remodeling is on your docket, make sure to connect with me on our website, which is www.akgdesignstudio. If you want to be a guest on our show or have something cool design on health, wellness related to share with our audience, make sure to connect with me at info@akgdesignstudio. Everything is in the show notes, so don't forget to share and click and subscribe. And until next time, cheers!